Have you ever been hanging out with a group of friends or co-workers, having a good time, and suddenly someone drops a completely disrespectful comment about you? Everyone goes quiet for a second, and then the person quickly says, "Relax, I'm just joking, do not be so sensitive." You sit there feeling humiliated. If you get angry, they win, because now you look like the crazy emotional one who cannot take a joke. If you laugh along with them, you also lose, because you are accepting their disrespect and telling everyone it is okay to treat you like a clown. Welcome to the dark psychology of passive aggression. Today, you're going to learn the ultimate Sigma rule for handling people who try to insult you disguised as a joke. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to completely destroy their ego and make them deeply regret ever trying to embarrass you. First, you must understand the psychology of a passive-aggressive joker. This person wants to insult you. They want to test your boundaries, but they are completely terrified of direct conflict. They are cowards. The phrase, "I am just joking," is their safety net. It is a psychological shield they use to protect themselves from your reaction. So how do you rip that shield away from them? You use a dark psychology technique called the explanation trap. Here is exactly how you execute it. The moment they deliver the insulting joke and start laughing, you must do the exact opposite. Stop smiling immediately. Your face should become completely blank and unbothered. Do not look away. Lock eye contact directly with them. Then, in a very calm, serious, and genuinely confused tone, you say one simple sentence. "I do not get it. Can you explain the joke to me?" This is where the psychological magic happens. Jokes are only funny when everyone implicitly understands the hidden meaning. By acting confused and forcing them to explain it, you are forcing them to drag their hidden insult out into the light. They will usually stutter and say, "Oh, you know, it was just a joke about your shirt." Do not let them off the hook. Keep that deadpan eye contact and ask again. "No, I really do not understand. What is so funny about my shirt? Explain the humor to me." At this point, their safety net is completely gone. They are forced to either admit that they were just being a jerk, or they will awkwardly mumble an apology and look down. The entire group dynamic will instantly shift. The awkwardness they tried to push onto you will bounce right back onto them. They will look incredibly foolish, and everyone in the room will silently respect your absolute emotional control. A high-value man does not allow cowards to hide behind the word joke. He forces them to face the reality of their words. Master your mind, master your reality. Subscribe to level up your psychology.